Welcome to Articles. In this lesson, we will review articles. A, an can be used with singular, countable nouns. A fast car. A beautiful flower. A police officer. An, we use this when a noun begins with a vowel sound A-E-I-O-U. An angry elephant. An exciting invitation. An Italian restaurant. An orange. The is used when there is only one of something. For example, the blue sky, the cinema, the sea. In this lesson, we review the articles a, an, the. I saw a blue coat when I went shopping. There's an angry man. Oh, look at the blue sky. It isn't raining today.